So far, we have seen how to install the application user adaptation dashboard from the AppExchange. Now we are going to see how to use the user adaptation dashboard in the homepage, how to use the application, which we got from the AppExchange, right? So let me quickly jump to my arc, and this is the arc. So in this arc, it is a dashboard application, right? So if that is the case, definitely the dashboard will be created in the org. So let me go to the app launcher and search for dashboard, since the dashboard tab is not available, in this particular application. I'm trying to open the dashboard. If you look at the dashboards, then if you go for all dashboard, here you can able to see the user adaptation dashboard, right? So this is the dashboard we have installed from AppExchange, all right? So looking cool. So it has a highest number of logins by the users. What is the highest number of login made, and how many active Salesforce users are there, and the least login users, login by roles, okay, login by department, logins by region, all users login. So this is really cool, user insights, right? So with a very minimal amount of time, we have delivered this kinds of solution, right? We haven't build anything so far. Automatically it's created by the product, right, which we have installed from the AppExchange. So the company productivity definitely will increase if you are going to install any product from the AppExchange, if it is worth to resolve your requirement. All right, so now it is time to have this dashboard in the home page. So it is available in the dashboard section. That's fine, but always we should prefer to have the dashboard in the home page, right? That will give the insights. So let me try to edit this home page, and I'm going to edit this page, and it will take me to the app builder. And in the app builder, now I can able to add the dashboard component here. So a couple of key things we need to do here. That is, we need to drag and drop the dashboard component. So if you look at my template, this page template, it is a header and 3 regions, right? So that's the reason I have a header and 3 region section. That's the way this particular page template is configured. If you're going to drag and drop a dashboard in the 3 regions section, any one of the single region section, then probably the dashboard will looks like. So always you have to keep it in mind. If you are going to drag and drop the dashboard should have enough screen size, right? Enough screen space to load the dashboard, right? It's always good to load the dashboard in the header region, right? This is the header region. So I'm going to drag and drop the dashboard in the header region. So it will by default, it will load in the dashboard. So if you're not able to see the dashboard here, some other dashboards loaded, then no worries. You can search in the right-hand side under the properties. You can search for your adaptation dashboard. Definitely it will be available. You can select that. Once you selected that, automatically the dashboard will be available here. Let me click save and go back to the app builder. Now, if you look at this homepage, the user insights will be available in the homepage, right, through the dashboards. Really, it is a cool feature. In a record time, we built this solution and we were able to install and test this solution. So once we feel that, okay, the solution looks good, it is solving the business requirement, then we can, go ahead and install these packages in our other environments, right? So this is the way you can install an AppExchange product and you can test it. So if you go to the setup, so as I said earlier, if you go to setup and search for installed packages, definitely you should be able to see the installed packages, right? So in future, if you feel that you don't want to, have this package, I'm not satisfied with the package, I don't want to have the package in my org anymore. If that is the case, you can uninstall the packages at any point of time. To do that, you have to come to the installed packages in the setup. Okay. So before doing uninstall this particular, package, let me click the Salesforce adaptation dashboard link from the installed packages. Once I click it, it will take me to the next page. If you look at the next page, I'm seeing more detailed information about the package. And there is a, component called, there is a button called view components. If you click that, it will show you what all are the individual parts which is used by this adaptation dashboard, right? So what are the integral parts of this, right? So probably if it is a dashboard, then definitely the dashboard should contain a report, right? Without report, we cannot create a dashboard, right? That's a base. So similarly, if you look at this package, even though we see it as a single dashboard, under the hood, you will be having different components, right? On top of these components, the dashboard is built. See here, different types of reports created, by this particular component. So this particular component ships with these many reports. Using these reports, the dashboard was built. So in that way, in any application you install from your AppExchange, you can go to the, the integral components of this particular packages. If you go to the package, if you click view components, then you should be able to see the integral parts of this components, how this components is built, what are the pieces there, right? So similarly, if you click view dependencies, if any dependencies exist, that will also be, displayed here. This particular package has a dependency with the product as well as campaign, right? So that this particular, dependencies also you can able to see that. If you want to uninstall a package, you can do that at any point of time. So let me come here. I don't want to use this anymore. So I'm trying to uninstall. So to uninstall the package, you can click uninstall. If I'm going to uninstall, let's see if it is, uninstalling a package, then it will say that, what all are the components it is going to uninstall. If this component is, if it is this is an application, that's fine. If it is a component, if that component is used somewhere else, then the package won't allow you to uninstall. You need to remove all the references, then only you can able to uninstall your package. Now I'm trying to uninstall the package. It is asking me, do you want to save the data for 48 hours after uninstall? I don't want to save any data. So I'm going to click the second option. And then I'm going for, yes, I want to uninstall the package and permanently delete all the components. I'm going to select this checkbox and click uninstall. Okay, fine. When I'm trying to uninstall this package, it says that uninstalling a package is unsuccessful. Why this is unsuccessful? Because this particular package is used in the dashboard, right? In the home page, we are using this particular, product in the dashboard, right? So that's the reason it is not allowing me to uninstall a package. That's what I told. If there is any reference exist for these packages, it won't allow you to uninstall. Let me go to the home page and let me go back again, go to the installed packages. Let me go to the home page and edit the page. Now let me remove the reference. Let me remove the usage of the dashboard from the home page. And then, let's try to uninstall this particular package. So now I am into the home page. Let the home page to load. Once the home page gets loaded, let's delete this. Okay, I'm deleting this dashboard and click save. Now the dashboard is removed. The component is still there. The reference, right? The usage is removed. Now I have removed it. So let me save this once again and go back to my home page. Now the user adaptation dashboard will be no more in the home page because we have just removed it, right? That's cool. So now let's come to the, installed packages and let's try one more time, uninstall the adaptation dashboard. Let me go for uninstall and going for the same configurations what I did previously. I'm going to select this, yes, and uninstall and see, we were successfully able to uninstall this product. Now, if you look at this Salesforce adaptation dashboard, it is no more here, right? There is no uninstall option here. It means that it is uninstalled. At the bottom, in the uninstalled section, now you're able to see the packages uninstalled is a Salesforce adaptation dashboard. It is uninstalled. So still the progress is there. Still it is progressing to uninstall. It is displayed here. And let me refresh once again this particular page and see what kind of impact a little bit later the uninstall process, able to bring here. Now, if you look at here, no more, adaptation dashboard here, right? So previously it was there. Now, once I refreshed, it is successfully uninstalled. Now, I'm not able to see in the installed packages section, the user adaptation dashboard. It is successfully uninstalled from my ARC. but still I can able to see this information, uninstall the package. Okay, so if you want to delete it permanently, you can click the delete button. Now the package will be completely removed from the org. So yes, no more uninstalled packages left in this org. So in this way, you can able to use the AppExchange applications in your org, and at any point of time, if you feel that you don't want to use the application anymore, you are in a good position to remove that. Okay, but while removing or while uninstalling the package, you have to keep it in mind that you should first remove the references or remove the usages of that applications. Then you are in a good position to uninstall the packages.
If you are interested to learn Salesforce, visit AJ Skill Development website. There you can find our course curriculum and you can come to know about the list of courses we are offering. We are offering Salesforce Administrator and Salesforce Development courses. To know about us and the team, you can visit our About Us section. This is an organization we are doing Salesforce training from 2018, and we have trained and guided 2000 plus candidates so far. And if you also want to know about our placement assistance, visit our placement assistance section where you can find the list of people and the category. You can see the list of people who got trained and placed from our site. You can also visit their LinkedIn pages to get to know about our training and also the feedback from the relevant trainees. Okay. And also, if you want to do the course inquiry, click on contact us. You will see the form. You can fill the form and submit the inquiry. Our team will get back to us. Thank you.